Hello everyone. Are you new to investing and not sure how to deposit money in your Wealthsimple account? Maybe you just signed up and you're stuck wondering what to do next. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through how to deposit money step by step, right from the Wealthsimple app on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you want more easy tutorials like this one, consider subscribing to the channel. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone. Now, select the account you want to deposit the money into. This could be your TFSA, RRSP, or personal account, whichever one you're funding. Next, tap the Add Money button. On this screen, you'll see the option to choose source. Tap that and you'll see a list of bank accounts that are already linked to your account. But if it's your first time and your bank isn't linked yet, tap Link a New Account. Follow the on-screen instructions. It is super straightforward. Wealthsimple will ask you to securely sign into your bank account and verify the connection. Once you have selected your bank, you might see an instant deposit limit. This means Wealthsimple will let you deposit a certain amount right away, no waiting. The exact limit varies on each person depending on your account size and history. On this screen, you'll have the option to choose a future date if you want to schedule the deposit, and set a frequency if you would like to make this recurring deposit, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever works best for you. Now tap the Next button. On this screen, you can enter the amount you want to deposit. Then hit Next again to go to the confirmation screen. Here, just double check that all the details look right. The amount, the account, and the source. If everything looks good, tap Submit. And that's it. If your deposit is within your instant deposit limit, the money will show up in your account right away. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you feel more confident about using Wealthsimple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. If you would like more simple investing tips and app walkthroughs, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. See you in the next video.